Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ringkat bat gari baru ke way ke West China Hills District ru. Haka arpa handel tarik kala lingkot kala rakhe ya ke 77 Republic Day Hamadan Jri Salen chut baku Juwai. Ya kalama lairong kari lawan wan penher du MLA ke kli riat uba kermen shila. Bat shim ya ke Rashtriya salute na ke bentak ki khat nyongut ki kenhuan ki bagentup ki pulit ke district Kiang nang ba Government College NCC Unit Juwai, Thomas Jones Sinat College NCC, Government Girls High Secondary School, Meghalaya Bharat Scout and Guides Juwai, Nalor ki khat artli ki school. Hadian kani kaladon kicing pen inam ki tablu, ki balashna kerpang da kitana trikam sorkar ba pher ban pen pawi kerukam trikam, badru kicing pen trikam ki scheme ba pher jong ka sorkar. La samru eki khusnam shikinong job haka March pass haka baka PM Shri School JNV Mukla kala wan haka kedan ke Beningkong ka Government Boys High Secondary School Juwai haka kedan ke Baar bat ka Tom Memorial High Secondary School Muralong Juwai haka kedan balai. Nalor kata la sam khusnam ru ya ke best tablu haka baka District Commerce and Industry Center West China Hills District Juwai kala yo ya ke kedan ke Beningkong ke District Prison and Correctional Home West China Hills Juwai kelawan hakadan ke Baar bat ke Meghalaya State Skill Development Society West China Hills District Juwai hakadan ke Balai karkum ke jing itho e ke jing treishtom ke jongki la samro e ke khusnam daga song pisa ringkat ke certificate na ke lagi nong trei asha bat ANM kentup ke kong rejoy lapasam ANM na mukayau sub center kakong lama muru asha na leadership and SC. Ki wede ki jing pen pernya hakan gesngi ki kenthop bi ki jing rwai ki jing shat ki jing pen I dingkum fire balloon da dorbar shnong chiliang rai bat ka jing sam ki jing ai ngobha bat ki song jing bam shakal children's home diktanat sorkar bat ki kinhun seng 3 months ngobha.
By the Honorable Chief Guest, followed by the National Anthem. Forward is the Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Juwai, NCC contingent led by Miss Akini Chile. Marching forward is the Government Girls. We now have the Meghalaya Bharat Scout. Approaching the civilian dais is Wakame Shiksha.
Followed by Mary Macdonald Girls Higher Secondary School, commanded by
commanded by Mr. Rehan Mumbai. Approaching the saluting dais is Jingrakhe Higher Secondary School, Jowai, commanded by Mr. Karan Viswa Verma. This next tableau is from the office of the Executive Engineer, PWD Roads, Jowai, Central Division, Jowai. This tableau
Disease surveillance and monitoring of livestock and poultry diseases to attend outbreaks of livestock and poultry diseases on priority basis, awareness on preventive health care of livestock.
Beti Bharao, UDID, and Childline 1098, promoting dignity, accessibility, and inclusion.
Embracing breeding in MSMEs can also create new opportunities for innovation, job creation, and social inclusivity. Thus, breeding of MSMEs initiative will not only address the sector's
Enabling inmates to earn wages and prepare for integration into society. Guided by the vision of reform, the prison works towards restoring dignity and responsibility, truly reflecting the motto, changing lives, construction and information technology. It also showcases self-employment training in trades including photography, beauty and wellness, fashion designing, tailoring and embroidery, mobile repairing, and many more trades.
citizens of Meghalaya. On the momentous occasion of the 77th Republic Day, as we celebrate the 150th anniversary of our nation's song, Vande Mataram, I convey my warm wishes to all the citizens of the state. On this auspicious day, we honor the spirit of democracy and pay homage to our motherland and our constitution. We respectfully pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and other leaders who fought for our freedom. We also remember with reverence patriot from our very own state, Tirot Singh, Ukiang Namba, and Patugan and Sangha. We take this opportunity to salute the unwavering dedication and sacrifice of our armed force, paramilitary force, and the Meghalaya police. Their vigilant effort ensure our safety and security. During the last year, the overall law and order situation in the state was peaceful. In the past year, various festivals of the state, including National Day celebration, were conducted peacefully. We remain committed to fostering peace and security along the Assam-Meghalaya border. Timely intervention by the government in Pangap village, West China Hills district, prevented the situation from any other escalation, due to which our farmers were able to complete the harvest of their crops. We are also committed to securing the Indo-Bangladesh border and are monitoring the situation in close coordination with BSF. We have also directed Deputy Commissioner to activate the Village Defense Party to improve security around the international borders.